16,500, 17,000 a bit. We sold this Yachtmaster 2 at auction. See what it made. Lot 32. This is the Rolex Yachtmaster 2 116688. The reference with the box and the papers 2014. Who wants it? We're going to start this one off. Bids in at 12,000, 12,005, 13,000's online, 14,000, 14,500 is with me, 15's here, 15,500 is against you there, 16,000 the bid, 16,500, 17,000 the bid. At 17,000 it's online now, 17,500 is on the phone. At £18,000 it's online. Do I see 18,500? We do, it's with you Tom at 18,005. 19,000 is online, 19,500. 20,000 is online. I'd like 21,000 if possible please. Are we out on the phones? 20,000 then. It's online.